In this video, we are not learning everything about HTML or CSS. We are just going to build your first front-end project. A very simple profile page. If you have been watching tutorials but never actually built something on your own, this video is where you start. The goal here is confidence, not perfection. I'm inside VS Code and I have created an empty folder. Let's create a file called index.html. Don't worry about tools or setup right now. We are keeping everything as simple as possible. HTML is basically the structure of your page. Everything inside the body is what the browser shows on the screen. You don't need to memorize this yet. You will naturally get comfortable with it as we build more things. I'm adding a heading for the name, a short paragraph for a description, and a button just to make this feel like a real page. This div is just grouping things together. That's all you need to know about it for now. Now that we have built the project, we need a browser to test it. There are a couple of ways to do this, but for now we will go with the simplest one, copying the file path and pasting it directly into the browser. This is front end. You wrote some code, refresh the browser and something appeared. You have already built your first front end page. CSS controls how things looks. We are not learning CSS deeply right now. We are just making the page readable and slightly nicer. This is enough for now. I'm just refreshing this page. That's it. You didn't learn everything and you don't need to. You have just built and styled your first front-end project. In the next video, we will slowly improve this. We will add more styling, then some JavaScript, and eventually real applications. If you want to build front-end Without overthinking and without tutorial help, consider subscribing. Let's build front end faster.